Hi, I'm Patrick from DocPro. We are the exclusive distributors of CanDoc modular floating systems for Sub-Saharan Africa and associated island groups. This is a CanDoc bumper fender used to offer additional protection to boats mooring against your jetties. They are made from a high-density polyethylene resin and come standard with a white nut. They can be attached at any point around a jetty and replaces the external lug connector joining two cubes together. The quantity needed and placement is dependent on the lengths of the boats that will be using your jetty. Your DocPro representative would be able to advise you if you are unsure. To install a bumper fender, you will need your supplied key for nut or ratchet key for nut tool for a 1/2 inch ratchet. The bumper is inserted from the top and the white nut from below along the perimeter of your system. First, you will align the notches of the bumper with the notches on the tabs of the cubes. You are going to push down in place. Locating tabs hold the bumper in place while the white nut is tightened with the key for nut. Make this as tight as you comfortably can. Please note, on the breather side of the system, you will see there is a space between the number 1 and number 4 tabs. We will place 2 spaces in this gap before we insert the bumper and tighten the nut.